From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
This particular question tests our conversion skills. That is, it tests how we can convert from kilometers to meters and from hour to seconds. And we are asked that the average speed of a car is 63 kilometers per hour. How do you express this speed in meter per seconds? So we have 63 kilometers per hour. So you ask yourself, how many meters are in kilometer? We know that 1,000 meters gives us 1 kilometer. And how many seconds are in an hour? We know that 60 seconds make a minute times 60 minutes make an hour. So the 60 by 60 seconds makes an hour. So we simply have to substitute this in place of kilometer and hour. So we have 63 kilometer will be 1,000 meters, and the hour will be 60 seconds. 60 times 60 is 3,600. So we can easily divide. 2 here is 5, 2 here is 18. 9 can go 18 2 times. 9 can go this 7 times. We are left with 7 times 5, 35 over 2. And so this will give us 17.5 meter per second. This is our final answer. That leaves us with C. Thank you for watching.